Russia's defense industry has delivered another batch of Su-35S multirole fighter aircraft to the country's armed forces, continuing steady production of the advanced fourth-generation plus aircraft. United Aircraft Corporation, UAC, said the new Su-35S aircraft have been officially transferred to Russian units. A previous batch was handed over in June, with additional aircraft already in production for upcoming deliveries. In a statement, UAC noted that the fighters are capable of fulfilling a wide range of missions, including escort duties and air defense for ground facilities. The company emphasized that Russian pilots have expressed confidence in the platform. The aviation plants of Rostec maintain a high production rate of aircraft under the State Defense Order. This year, several batches of Su-35S fighters have already been delivered to the troops, and this process does not stop. New aircraft are already in production for subsequent deliveries, said Oleg Yevtushenko, executive director of Rostec. The Su-35S is one of the most highly effective combat aircraft in the world. It is armed with long-range air-to-air and air-to-surface guided missiles. It also has an electronic countermeasures and defense system and other advanced avionics, making the fighter a true threat to the enemy. The Su-35S is regarded as a transition step toward fifth-generation combat aircraft. Equipped with new engines featuring a digital control system and thrust vectoring, the fighter has improved flight and maneuvering characteristics compared to earlier models. The Su-35 program has been presented by Moscow as an example of Russia's ability to sustain advanced aircraft production despite wartime pressures and international sanctions. The aircraft is built by plants operated under Rostec, Russia's state defense conglomerate. Open-source monitoring, however, suggests heavy combat attrition. According to the tracking group Warix, Russia has lost 8 Su-35S fighters since the start of its full-scale invasion of Ukraine in February 2022. The aircraft, a heavily modernized derivative of the Su-27 design, has been promoted as a backbone of the Russian Aerospace Forces. Its weapon package includes long-range R-77 and R-37 air-to-air missiles, as well as precision-guided bombs and missiles for ground strike.